Yo, what's going on everybody? Eric back here with Bodos Trading Academy. Guys, thank you yet again for tuning into another YouTube video of mine. Guys, this video is going to be one of the most informational and most important video you are going to watch today, you guys, going into the following week. Hey guys, this week is going to be super important because we had massive movements with huge amounts of volume. So I want to get right into it. Guys, be sure if you haven't already yet, please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Really helps out the algorithm, you guys, and let's get right into it. Ticker symbol SPY, ticker symbol Amazon, and we're actually gonna look at futures right now. Wow, this week is gonna be crazy. I think this week's gonna have a lot to offer, and I think this week is going to be a massive, crazy ass week in the stock market, and we need to make sure we pay close attention to this, you guys, because I'm going to give you guys levels exactly where I believe the market can even probably drop down to. You guys, it's not a surprise that we see huge, significant movements in the stock market right now, especially for the S&P 500 and especially for other sectors in the stock market. So I'm going to give you guys levels. I'm going to give you guys certain patterns that I see. I'm going to give you guys even a certain watch list to watch out for. Now, you guys, this isn't going to be my major overall watch list because I just don't know exactly what it's going to present going into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday's trading days, right? Stocks can make massive moves towards the downside or upside that you probably would have never thought would make massive moves. Like if I give you a watch list like SPY or Moderna, that's going to be huge on this week for my watch list. It doesn't necessarily mean, oh my God, this is the stock I'm going to be playing and, I'm going to for sure watch. Like if AMD ends up mooning, this week or dropping significantly, that could be on my watch list. I see where price actions break and I see where certain patterns are moving into the market. I watch certain indicators. When they trigger off, I start watching it because remember, I use indicators as what, you guys, as a tool. So going into this trading week is going to be very crucial for a lot of sectors. So I'm going to only give you like 3 off the watch list that I do believe in are going to be my top best 3. But again, those top best 3 could be flatlined all week. It may not even make movements. Okay. So again, I won't have direct confirmation until Monday morning or Monday pre-market morning. I'll be able to, see exactly what certain stocks are going to be moving. And that's how I base my trades, you guys. If you want the full in-depth, watch list, and you guys want to get my every single alert of entry and exit, be sure to click the link down below. You guys come and join Bodos Trading Academy VIP alerts. And yeah, let's get right into it. So SPY and Moderna is going to be on my watch list this week. Obviously, SPY made a significant amount of moves. Last week was a very bullish week. Now, you guys, we have seen the market move tremendously towards the downside, towards the upside. And what are we going to notice? What do we notice going into next week's trading week as far as S&P 500 goes? Okay, so first off and foremost, we always want to start on the daily time frame. We want to get the major overall levels. That is always an important key factor to your trading, guys. Levels will always make you money. Trust me when I say this. A lot of people don't believe in levels. I don't know why. They base their trades off indicators. That's how you fail, you guys. You need to first off find the overall trend. That is the most important factor to trading. If you don't have a trend, you won't have a trade. That's just as simple as I said it. If you don't have a trend, you won't have a trade, meaning you won't have a proper setup to take a trade. Now, I told you guys from my previous video, if you haven't watched my previous video, you guys, you need to watch the previous video I posted. Literally, it's the video before this video I just posted, I think yesterday. Go and watch that. I explain a little bit more in depth on what the S&P 500 did and why we took significant trades, crazy trades last week, and we were able to make over probably 1,500% just on the S&P 500 from literally Wednesday till Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We made like 1,500% in profits all together, obviously, among those 3 days. So go watch that previous video. and then come back to this video. So the S&P 500, you guys, SPY. I'm going to be watching it for an actual drop. Yes. Just like I said, you guys, for an actual drop in the stocks, in the stock market, because of many factors that I've noticed from the past. And I explained this in the last video, right? We have a W-shaped pattern followed by a fake breakout fall, right? Created this, lower high formation type shit on the daily time frame. And another big thing that I noticed, that now we have to keep track of the CCI, you guys, because this is what I use ideally for momentum, to see where the stocks have officially shifted either towards the downside or upside. Now, we're not quite where we were, on the momentum indicator towards the upside right here. We're reaching it, and I know it looks like we are, but we're actually not. We could actually squeeze out another couple green days before we see a big drop. Now, I'm not saying going into Monday it's going to be bullish and, we're going to buy the bounce for calls. You guys, it all matters how pre-market initially opens up. If pre-market, it opens up below this level that I have marked, guys, we could be bears. We could play the reject tomorrow, if you want the actual full in-depth watch list, analysis, everything, you need to come and join the group, because I post it pre-market in the group. So just to keep up to date with that, guys, it's really not expensive to get in my group. It's very affordable. You probably make your money back within literally your first day of joining. So we got our falling wedge. It obviously broke out. Now we have to pay close attention to the upside. Where is the possible potential upside? This hard resistance, you guys, I cannot express this more. This hard resistance is going to be at 417. Okay. What happened here? Okay. So we broke previously. History repeats itself. Broke previously, broke above. So we could see another bullish week, but it could also be followed by a bearish day. It's kind of crazy to think, because we had, some breaks, bearish days, and then here we had bullish, slightly bearish, and then a break, and then bullish. Now, it broke above the high of 458. Once it broke there, that was a false breakout, crashed all the way down, kept crashing, obviously, with that W formation pattern of the false breakout. Same shit here, W formation. It could slightly push up above, get all the buyers to be like, oh my God, we're bullish, right? And then all of a sudden, shit's dropping to the ground. So yes, temporarily, I'm bullish towards the upside still this week. Again, everything is justified by pre-market. I will have a better understanding, better direction of where these stocks are going to be moving going pre-market. So my initial buy-in for SPY, and like I said, I made a video on this in my previous video. It's going to be so far this 408 for a bounce for calls. And initially where I got that major key level, you guys, is the hard support that I saw on the daily time frame. Guys, this is simple, right? Support, right? Now we built a new support, you guys. This is so important. We built a new support, bounce right here, support leveled off. Now going into tomorrow's trading day, I'm going to take a position on here, probably Friday's expiration. I don't know, maybe Wednesday's, depending on how momentum and movement is. If I see it's super choppy tomorrow, I don't know. I might still play. I might scalp it, day trade it, but I'm looking to swing this position for sure. So SPY calls, CCI indicator, like I said, slightly overextended for sure. So definitely keep a lookout for that. Now, you guys, this is going to be my main freaking stock, baby. I'm actually going to... Dude, why is this shit so freaking laggy, man? Every time I'm doing a screen recording, this shit lags. I swear this isn't what it does when I'm trading. It just doesn't do this. It's freaking weird, dude. So, yeah, you guys, this stock, man, Moderna. Freaking Moderna, dude. Moderna's gonna run. I think Moderna's ready to break out. It's just getting ready to break out. Let me see. So hard resistance on Moderna is going to be 187. I'm going to actually name this shit. Hard resistance, hard R, is going to be 180. Let's say 188. This one's going to be a massive. I think this one's going to be massive. I'm going to actually even make the width a little bit harder on that. Where did it not freaking save? The fudge. Save now. I don't know why it doesn't even show name. Yes. On. Let's do the right. Let's do the right. Or should I do the left? Okay, I'll do the left. There we go. See, hard resistance, 188. Okay, this is going to be big. This is going to be huge because this is where it last rejected and it just fell completely to the ground. You guys, we have a bull flag. Like, I mean, we got a bull flag on the 4 hour, the daily, the hourly. It's formed. Moderna's ready to take the F off. I'm bullish as, like, excuse me for my profanity, but I'm bullish as fuck on Moderna. Going into tomorrow's trading day. Earnings, I think, is going to pop this shit to the moon. Moderna calls into earnings. And I'm going to show you, because right now we're at a hard support. So I took this support before the bounce, took this resistance before the fall. And if we take it to a smaller time frame, I mean, holy shit, So Moderna calls at 163, even 159. I think Moderna calls at 159 is more promising, honestly, because look, it tested it here, tested here, finally broke through. Okay, so I think this is going to be a hard support where potentially we could buy calls. Now, I'm going to also watch 163. We also have hard supports. And where I get these hard supports is going to be, I think, on the day. Dude, what the fudge, man? Why isn't it? Yeah, 159. 159. So, dude, it'd be a freaking massive trade. 159 tested here, bounce, tested here, bounce, tested here, bounce. Finally broke through. Can come back down here, bounce. I mean, shit, Moderna could even break out tomorrow. Again, I'm going to be watching the bounce for calls. You guys, bounce for calls on Moderna, 163 or 159. I don't think it drops below this. Okay. For earnings, I'm going to swing this shit into earnings. Like, that's just no questions. I might not do a full position. I might do a half position or even like a fourth position. Again, not going to be a freaking full degen on this shit. Guys, still manage your risk. Don't, just because I'm hyping up Moderna, it doesn't mean shit, you guys. I lost that on GameStop. I called out GameStop. I thought that shit was going to drop to the ground, but it didn't. One thing that really is convincing me about Moderna, you guys. Now, a lot of cases when this happens, dude, the CCI, oh my gosh, this is a perfect effing setup, man. I'm literally giving you guys free game right here. Stochastic slow is about to cross Moderna CCI, bro. If this shit opens up higher, like, we buy the bounce for calls, just play this shit, swing it. Guys, we're flying to the moon. This freaking stock, baby. I'm so pumped. I might actually dump like 5K, 6K in this position, just swing this shit, honestly, for earnings. And I don't really like to go crazy on earnings. I think the last one I went crazy on was Meta. And, dude, I kid you not, I almost lost on Meta. It was crazy. But I'm so far, I'm like 5 for 5 on earnings right now. I went 3 for 3 Thursday to Friday. We nailed Amazon, we nailed Intel, we nailed Apple earnings, and we cashed out massively, massive. And I'm not saying I'm the earnings expert, you guys. I'm nowhere near an earnings expert. I'm like probably 7 for like 26 right now, or 7 for like 27. I'm really bad at earnings, but somehow luck was really on my way. So gamble for earnings, honestly. But I'm really bullish on Moderna. I think Moderna is going to outperform for earnings. If it falls for earnings, man, I'm a really big surprise. If anything, you guys, Moderna is going to run up until earnings for sure. And it might be bullish. And that's why I said I'm going to take profits right before earnings. It's going to be August 3rd. What day is that? August 3rd. That's Wednesday. So Wednesday, dude, bullish as F for Moderna. Again, I'm not trying to hype this shit up. Don't, still manage your risk. Don't go in stupid crazy. Like I said, I'm going to capitalize on this. I want to go in a little bit heavier just because I have a higher, probability setup. And that's what I'm saying, guys. Higher probability. We have kind of like a inverse head and shoulders here. If you guys can see here, I'll even draw it out for you guys. So inverse, right? So inverse head and shoulders is basically an upside down head and shoulders. If you guys see here, right? Moderna. Now this is on the 5 minute. I mean, we could even look on the 1 hour just to kind of see. I mean, we still have an inverse head and shoulders. Nothing's changed really. Right there's a shoulder, head, shoulder, right? Kind of V-shaped pattern formation. Bro, this shit is gonna take off, man. If I make you money on this shit, you guys owe me money. Like, legitimately. I think this shit's gonna fly. But anyways, I'm not trying to hype this up. Always trade with caution. Trade with only the amount of money you can afford to lose. Of course, have good risk management. But yeah, this is I feel like gonna be the play for the day. Moderna going into next week's trading week. So look at some other stocks. PayPal, I'm not really too interested. Maybe PayPal too. PayPal looks pretty good. But you guys, I always look at the CCI because CCI always tells you everything, honestly. EV. I'm pulling out stocks out of my ass, honestly. ENPH. Dude, ENPH pissed me off. And ENPH pissed me the F off, bro. I wanted to freaking shoot this shit in the face. I wanted to shoot this company and blow up their freaking company, man. They freaking, like, their spreads are so shitty. Like, it pisses me off, actually. It really genuinely pisses me off, ENPH. On freaking, what was it, Thursday or Friday? They just pissed me off. Oh, shit. MSTR, maybe? No, Zoom. Let's see. You guys, I'm just going based. I want to see where momentum leads it. Nah, not that one. UNH, USO. Let's see, Moderna. Yeah, Moderna, man. Even Tesla, bro. Even Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. God, dude, Tesla, man. If I would have held Tesla on Friday, that would have been like 500%. Actually, my contracts ran from 435. I was so pissed off, you guys. I went into Tesla. Like, I think I went in like 10 contracts. No, 5 contracts. Sorry, I take that back. I went in like 5 contracts. So butthurt. I sold that shit for like 15%. Can't believe it, because I was down like 50 on Friday. I was down like 50% on Friday on Tesla. Was holding through it. I told the whole team, I was like, no, this shit's going to the moon. And I literally still sold at 15% profit. I was so butthurt, honestly. And then my contracts ended up being up like 600-700% by the end of the day. So that was kind of bullshit. But hey, mistakes happen. We still capitalized on SPY. We made freaking 268% on SPY. Or no, 300% on SPY. We made 500% on Amazon. We made 50% on Apple. Intel was a 250%. Bro, we cashed out massive, 1,000% on that day. That was crazy. Those are my confident plays. But anyways, yeah, so Tesla. Tesla. Let's chart this shit out real quick. Dude, I'm like not thinking right now. What the hell? So Tesla, possible moon play. So I think Tesla. Should I draw it here? Maybe I should draw it from here. Let's see. No, this shit's not dropping at 886. I'm gonna leave it down here. Honestly, if Tesla drops, I think with the market, it's going to drop down to 840, bounce right here, play the bounce for calls on Tesla. I'm still bullish on Tesla temporarily. I'm bullish up until 900, but buy the bounce for calls at 840. I think that's going to be a really good play. So anyways, you guys, I hope this watch just kind of helped you guys out. And I hope this video, not even watch this, but video really helped you guys out. I think Tesla's going to drop back down here. This was a hard support. I mean, like, again, you guys, anything's justified pre-market. If pre-market Tesla's up above 894, I'm going to be probably watching the bounce for calls at 894. And we can even look on the past, right? Where's let's just take some support and resistances from the past, right? There, 956 is going to be a hard, probably even lower. Let's go down here. I like going to the wicks, guys, because usually most cases they usually do. So 947, so 950 would be the next resistance for Tesla. That'd be a good massive move, massive cash out. Honestly, I don't see any other resistance other than this 957 hard resistance, or sorry, 950. So 947, sell at 945. Play the balance for calls at 840. You guys, massive drop I do believe is going to happen on Tesla coming in Monday. But anyways, guys, I didn't want to make this video super long. If you guys haven't already yet, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's freaking trading day. Let's roll, baby. Let's make some money. Let's make 1,000% next week. That's my goal. Let's go.